Welcome, dear students, to Standard 7 Maths Chapter Indices. We are discussing practice set 28. Question number 1. Simplify. First one is a raised to 6 divided by a raised to 4. If you see over here, the base is the same and they are divided. So when we have the bases as same, the law which we use is where the powers are subtracted. So I have a raised to 6 minus 4. And my dear students, while solving these sums, when you're using a particular law, please make it a habit. It is compulsory that you have to write the laws on the same line. See how this is written? Same way you have to write the laws. So, which law have I used? A raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. So, this is 6 minus 4 is 2. So, a raised to 2. That is my final answer. Second one, m raised to 5 divided by m raised to 8. This will be m raised to 5 minus 8. Again, please write the law which we have used. In this case, the same law. So, here you will write the law. So my answer is 5 minus 8 is minus 3. So m raised to minus 3. P raised to 3 divided by p raised to 13. This is p raised to 3 minus 13. Here you will write the law which is p raised to minus 10. Fourth one, x raised to 10 divided by x raised to 10 is x raised to 10 minus 10. Please write the law over here, which is x raised to 0, and we know that x raised to 0 the value is 1, which is equal to 1. And see here the law is written since a raised to 0 is equal to 1, so the answer is 1. Next, question number 2. Now my dear students, over here the question was simplify, so we have just simplified, and these are a, m, so we cannot find the value further. But if the question says find the value of, and these are numbers, then we are supposed to solve them further. Let's see how these sums are solved. The first one is minus 7 raised to 12 divided by minus 7 raised to 12. So this is minus 7, base is the same, raised to 12 minus 12. Please write the law over here. 12 minus 12 is 0. So minus 7 raised to 0. We know that a raised to 0 is 1. So the answer is 1. Over here also you will write that law which we are using. So this is how we are solving and finding the value further. Question number 2. 7 raised to 5 divided by 7 raised to 3. This will be 7 raised to 5 minus 3. Write the law. 5 minus 3 is 2. So 7 raised to 2, which is 7 into 7, 49. See, if the question was simplify, you would have stopped here. But since the question says find the value, you are continuing and finding the value. Next, 4 upon 5 the whole raised to 3 divided by 4 upon 5 the whole raised to 2. This would be 4 upon 5, 3 minus 2. Write the law over here, which is 4 upon 5 raised to 1. And we don't write this 1, so the final answer is 4 upon 5. Question 4. 4 raised to 7 divided by 4 raised to 5 is 4 raised to 7 minus 5. You will write the law over here, which is 4 raised to 2. Means 4 into 4, which is 16. So the final answer is 16. That was practice set 28. Let's continue. Next law. Now my dear students, I have 2 into 3 this whole raised to 4. Means both along with the multiplication sign is raised to 4. So when I simplify it, this is how I simplify. 2 into 3, this is 1, into 2 into 3, 2, this is second, into 2 into 3, this is third, and into 2 into 3, this is fourth. So how many times that is multiplied? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I can take all 2's on one side and all 3's on one side. So 2's and 3's. I can club all these 2's and I can write 2 raised to 4 and club all these 3's into 3 raised to 4. So what is the meaning of this? 2 into 3 raised to 4 means 2 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 4. This and this is the same. And see, this is the law which simplifies this. If a and b are non-zero rational numbers and m is an integer, then a into b the whole raised to m would be a raised to m into b raised to m. Over here, a was 2 and b was 3 and m was 4. So this is the simplification of this law. Now have a look at another one. 4 upon 5 the whole raised to 3 means 4 upon 5 into 4 upon 5 into 4 upon 5. I can club all 4s. So 4 into 4 into 4 and I can club all 5s means 5 into 5 into 5. Now this is how many times? 3 times. And 5 is how many times? 3 times. So 4 raised to 3 upon 5 raised to 3. This and this is the same and is shown in this law. That is a upon b the whole raised to m means a raised to m upon b raised to m. Have a look at this and this and this and this. Again, just now what we discussed is shown over here. 6x the whole raised to 3 means 6 raised to 3 multiplied by x raised to 3. Now, if you are asked to just simplify, you will stop here. If you are asked to find the value, then this is how you will solve this further. Next example, 1 upon 4 xz the whole raised to 2 means 1 upon 4 raised to 2, x raised to 2 and z raised to 2. And this is how you will solve it further. Third example, minus 3a upon b the whole raised to 2 means minus 3a raised to 2 and b raised to 2. This can be further simplified as minus 3 raised to 2 multiplied by a raised to 2 upon b raised to 2. And this you can solve further like this. These were examples of the previous law. Let's see the next. The next, my dear students, a raised to m and this is raised to n. That is the power of a number in index form. So I have 5 raised to 2, the whole raised to 3. A is 5, m is 2 and n is 3 over here. Now what is the meaning of this? This 5 raised to 2, my dear students, is multiplied how many times? 3 times. So I have 5 raised to 2 multiplied by 5 raised to 2 multiplied by 5 raised to 2. This is simplification of this. But if you look at these, the base is the same and the power is the same and they are multiplied. So I can just say 5 raised to 2 plus 2 plus 2. Now this 2 I have written how many times? 3 times. So I can just write, which means that 5 raised to 2 into 3. Now 5 raised to 2 into 3 means 6. So my answer is 5 raised to 6. That means what exactly happened over here is, when we have such a case, 5 raised to 2 the whole raised to 3, then what we are supposed to do with the power is, if the base is the same and the powers are raised to each other, then we are supposed to multiply the powers. So here I'm going to do 2 multiplied by 3, which is 6. Now let's look at this law over here. Then we'll go to next example. So if I have if a is a non-zero rational number and m and n are integers, then a raised to m raised to n will be a raised to m multiplied by n. Now m multiplied by n is a raised to mn. So that is what happened over here. And we can solve this. So no need to write 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is 6. So that is your answer. Same way over here. Now look at this example. 7 raised to minus 2. This whole raised to minus 5. So what is the meaning now? This first I have to remove the negative sign. So what have I done? Which is equal to 1 upon 7 raised to minus 2 the whole raised to 5. So my first negative sign is gone. Which is how many times? 7 raised to minus 2 is multiplied 5 times. So I have 1 upon 7 raised to minus 2 multiplied by 5, which is 1 upon 7 raised to minus 10. Now, if I bring this in the numerator, my negative sign will go. So that is my final answer, 1 upon 7 raised to 10, using this law. And how did my negative sign vanish? I used the law of reciprocal, or the law of multiplicative inverse. Now next example, 2 upon 5, the whole raised to minus 2, this whole raised to 3. What is the meaning of this? This negative 2 upon 5 raised to 2 is multiplied how many times? Thrice. So I have 2 upon 5 raised to minus 2 into 2 upon 5 raised to minus 2 into 2 upon 5 raised to minus 2. Which means 2 upon 5 minus 2 plus minus 2 plus minus 2. This is minus 2 into 3, which is minus 6. So it is shown over here, a raised to m, the whole raised to n is a raised to m into a raised to m into a raised to m. How many times? N times, n times. So I have a raised to m into n. So this is my another law of indices. So these are all the laws which we have discussed so far. My dear students, what you need to do is, for your own practice in your maths notebook, you will write each law 5 times. When you are writing this particular chapter, along with the sums, you are going to write each law 5 times for your own practice. So the first law is a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n is a raised to m plus n. Next is a raised to m divided by a raised to n is a raised to m minus n. Next is a raised to 1 means a. A raised to 0 is 1. A raised to minus m is 1 upon a raised to m. AB raised to m means a raised to m multiplied by b raised to m. A upon b the whole raised to m means a raised to m upon b raised to m. And a raised to m raised to n is a raised to m multiplied by n. A upon b the whole raised to minus m is b upon a the whole raised to m. And on the basis of this, we are going to solve a few more sums. Practice set 29. Question number 1, simplify. 5 upon 12 raised to 3 the whole raised to 4. So this is 5 upon 12, 3 into 4. This will be multiplied. Please write the law which is used over here, right, when you're writing in the notebook. 3 into 4 is 12. So I have 15 upon 12 the whole raised to 12. If you are further asked to find the value, then you will solve this further. But the question is simplify, so you will stop over here. Next, 3 raised to 4 the whole raised to minus 2 will be 3 raised to 4 into minus 2, which is 3 raised to minus 8 is your final answer. Third one, 1 upon 7 raised to minus 3 the whole raised to 4, which is 1 upon 7 minus 3 into 4. Please write the law over here, even over here, which is minus 3 into 4 is minus 12. So that's your final answer. 2 upon 5 raised to minus 2, the whole raised to minus 3, means 2 upon 5 raised to minus 3 into minus 2. Minus and minus sign will get cancelled and we'll get positive, and 3 into 2 is 6. So my final answer is 2 upon 5 raised to 6. 6 raised to 5 the whole raised to 4. So I will get 6 raised to 5 into 4. Please write the law over here, which is 6 raised to 20. Next, 6 upon 7 raised to 5 the whole raised to 2, which means 6 upon 7 raised to 5 into 2. Please write the law. The answer is 6 upon 7 raised to 10. Next, 2 upon 3 raised to minus 5 the whole raised to 5. 2 upon 3 raised to minus 4 into 5, which is 2 upon 3 raised to minus 20. Next, 5 upon 8 raised to 3 the whole raised to minus 2. 5 upon 8 raised to 3 into minus 2. So my answer is 5 upon 3 the whole raised to minus 6. Next, 3 upon 4 raised to 6 the whole raised to 1. So 3 upon 4 raised to 6 into 1, which is 3 upon 4 raised to 6. And the last one, 2 upon 5 raised to minus 3 the whole raised to 2. So 2 upon 5 raised to minus 3 into 2, which is 2 upon 5 raised to minus 6 is the answer. Question number 2. Write the following numbers using a positive index. Here we use the rule a upon b the whole raised to minus m, which is equal to b upon a the whole raised to m. So the first one, 2 upon 7 the whole raised to minus 2 will become 7 upon 2 raised to 2. Second one, 11 upon 3 raised to minus 5. I will get the answer as 3 upon 11 raised to 5. Third one, 1 upon 6 raised to minus 3 will become 6 upon 1 raised to 3. Now here, if we have 1 in the denominator and it has a positive sign, then we don't write that. Hence, the answer will be 6 raised to 3. Y raised to minus 4, I will get as 1 upon y raised to 4. So the answer is 1 upon y raised to 4. My dear students, we will stop here. We will meet in the next video. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you for watching.